I thought, I have a law license. I'm gonna be a millionaire. It's easy. Okay, so let me take you guys back to where I started my own practice. Before then, I was working for 2.5 years at a law firm. What I did, I wasn't making a ton of money. I was making law student money, which is fine at the time. I got my law license and I figured, okay, this is it. I'm gonna make buku bucks now. I'm a lawyer. In 2009, when I graduated, there was a horrible recession. It's not a time to do anything, right? People were not hiring. So I couldn't get a job. It was a difficult time period. So anyways, I was there for 2.5 years. I ended up getting my law license. I said, great, this is my new level of income. I went to my boss. I said, hey, I want a raise. I didn't get the raise I was looking for. And took me another month or two to grow a pair of just quit. And so I quit. I didn't have anything lined up. I thought, I have a law license. I'm gonna be a millionaire. It's easy. I just decided, you know what? I'll just work for myself. I'll work from home. At the time, all I had done for 2.5 years at the other firm was PIP litigation. I'd never been to court. Well, I went to court one time with them. I'll tell you more about that another time. But so I didn't have any experience really, but I just figured, you know what? I'll make it work. I'll figure this out. I had about $100,000 of student loan debt, and that was it. No kids, no wife. I had a girlfriend at the time, and I just said, you know what? I'm just gonna work 12, 15-hour days, and I'll figure it out. And that's what I did. It was just me, you know, sending out letters to doctors saying, hey, I can help you collect more money from your PIP cases. Me sending out letters. I built a list of doctors from the Department of Health website. I started emailing them, you know, the legal advertisements. I had to read the Florida bar rules to learn about all the rules on advertising. It was just nonstop work, and I would print the letters on, I had like one of those Brother printers that's like this big, and it was just churning out papers, printing them. And then the next day I would put them in envelopes and mail them to the insurance companies. And then I was like, all right, now we just wait 30 days. By a miracle, the insurance companies were like, hey, you're right. We didn't pay these bills. Here's money. And money just started coming in, and I had no freaking idea what I was doing, man. I was able to pay my clients, and from those checks, I would use it to my advantage. I would go to the doctor personally. I'd say, hey, I got you this check. Can you connect me with one of your friends? I just need you to connect me to one friend so that I can get them some money too. I did email blasts where I was just like, hey, I had so many unsubscribes. Like, it was incredible the amount of unsubscribes I was getting. I got kicked out of one platform because I was sending too many emails that got unsubscribed. I went to another platform. They kicked me out too. But eventually I got the right amount of people who knew me and stopped unsubscribing. Thank you. And from there I was able to grow.